Good morning. My name is Rula Jabado, and I will be presenting to you our research paper entitled An Enriched Framework for CRM Success Factors, outlining data analytics capabilities dimension, a case study from the retail industry. Before we start, I would like to mention that this work is a result of joint efforts with Dr. Reem Jallouli, my supervisor for the PhD thesis, and whom I would like to thank for all her support, as well as for sharing her expertise for publishing our first research paper. This work was also possible thanks to the United Company for Central Markets, based in Lebanon, who gave us a full access to all data needed. The following is the outline of the presentation. Afterwards, we look forward to an engaging discussion along with your questions. To start with, the evolution of big data has been attracting many researchers who emphasized on the growing role of data analytics capabilities, DAC, in enhancing marketing decisions within enterprises. What we already know is that current theoretical frameworks suggested classifying critical success factors, CSFs, using people, process, and technology approach in order to support CRM implementation success. But they do not clarify the role of DAC. Also, Khalif and Jallouli's 2014 conceptual model for successful CRM investigated further the determinants of success with their operational, cultural, and innovative dimension, along with their outcomes that can be intrinsic and extrinsic. A special consideration was given to the innovative dimension of the framework, as it offered possibilities for further investigating the information systems combined with CRM and data analytics. Our research question is how efficient CRM systems, when integrating data analytics capabilities, can enhance marketing decisions during crisis management. The study aims at illustrating an enriched conceptual framework, addressing DAC as a key dimension, clarifying how DAC plays a crucial integrative role, and establishing and acquiring a new skill set of competencies that combine marketing with technologies and data analytics. In order to give you a general overview of the study, let's first have a look at the research design. It was conceived to specifically fit the needs of the case study in hand and to ensure that consistent and efficient data collection from the case firm. Literature review, existing theories, and findings helped us define the grounding in the extant literature in step 1. Then, the existing conceptual framework of Khalif and Jallouli in 2014, with its dimensions, allowed us to extend theory further by developing and updating the framework with the addition of DAC dimension in step 2. Then, in step 3, it was time to test the efficiency of the updated framework by preparing and conducting a fieldwork with UCCM, which is a major grocery retail company in Lebanon. 3 departments were involved: marketing, IT, and HR. A combination of group and personal semi-structured interviews, along with observations, took place over a period of 2 months. In step 4, the fieldwork was followed by a final interview with the CEO, who had the major task of being the internal consultant and validating all data and compiled documents collected at the company. In step 5, we used the updated framework to record the results and findings. Finally, in step 6, we compared findings with the previously developed framework. The gaps resulting from this comparison offered opportunities to further enrich the conceptual framework. In phase 1 of the research, almost 70 references were reviewed. Literature review helped us to focus on what makes CRM systems successful and to the extent theory further by elaborating a conceptual framework developed in Figure 1 that suggests the addition of data analytics capabilities as a fourth variable to the CSF's dimensions for any firm. I will now briefly explain to you the conceptual framework elaborated through the literature review. Vertically to the left, you will find the original main critical success factors in the previous framework for successful CRM implementation, classified by using the approach of people dimension with a main emphasis on customers in terms of internal and external commitment, process dimension using a centric approach related to direct and indirect interaction with customers, and technology dimension that focuses on effective CRM systems in terms of collecting, organizing, saving, and using data. At the bottom, you will find the addition of data analytics capabilities as a new dimension for the critical success factors. The conceptual framework also emphasizes and reinforces the fact that results could be intrinsic, enhancing the efficiency of marketing decisions in firms, such as strategies, segmentation, targeting, positioning, and marketing mix, and can be extrinsic, thus boosting firms' profitability. The addition of the fourth dimension to the CSFs is crucial for any company, as companies need to ensure proper data analytics capabilities and tools to increase efficiency in meeting customer requirements. Data gathered must be translated into effective marketing decisions and strategies. Therefore, skills and knowledge in technologies and data analytics capabilities must be upgraded. Table 2 here gives you an idea about the questionnaire that was used for interviews. The structure of the questionnaire follows the same structure of the conceptual framework using the variables of people, process, technology, data analytics capabilities with the extrinsic outcomes in terms of profitability. As shown in the research design, this paper uses a single case-based study applying an inside-out perspective. There is only one source of empirical data in a real-life context. It is important to note that the United Company for Central Markets, UCCM, was chosen for this case study due to practical interest from the case firm. This research is an exploratory qualitative case study, and it aims at inductively developing theory further. The period that was examined goes from January 1st till June 30th, 2020. There is no doubt that the current economic and political crisis had a major impact on the grocery retail industry in Lebanon. Uncertainty, change in consumer behavior and lifestyles, focus on main commodities. Enhancing marketing strategies with changing needs and market trends became a must. Pandemics led to lockdown, encouraging online grocery shopping and home delivery. Crisis management strategies became a must on a daily basis. When it comes to the usage of technology, a culture of competitive intelligence is yet to be developed, updating data analytics skills in the retail industry. A closer attention was given to UCCM's current decision-making process to understand the current structure. It has two advantages: understanding organizational changing business needs and efficient comparison between the present process and the pre-developed conceptual framework. 3 shows UCCM's decision-making process. The originality of UCCM's decision-making process, its holistic perspective, its flexibility, tailored to fit various organizational needs. It allows fast cross-functional CRM-based decisions during difficult times of crisis, and it encourages a collaborative approach between departments.